In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Hostinger. By the end, you'll know how to save messages from your Hostinger mailbox as .eml files, which you can keep as backups, share securely, or import into other mail apps. And .eml file is a standard email format that preserves the message content, headers, and attachments exactly as they were sent or received. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel, which is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting and email services. Make sure you're signing in on a trusted device and network, and keep your login details private. Once you're in hPanel, go to the Emails section. This area lets you manage your mailboxes and access the tools you need. You'll see options to manage your email accounts and settings. What we want is access to the webmail interface. Under Manage, select Webmail. This opens your mailbox in a new tab, showing your familiar folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and more. Webmail is convenient because it works right in your browser without installing any extra software. Next, open the folder that contains the emails you want to export. If you're looking for specific messages, you can use the search bar to filter by sender, subject, or keywords to narrow things down. Taking a moment to organize or search first can save you time if you're exporting several messages. Now, select the email or emails you want to export. You can click into a single message or use the checkboxes in the list view to highlight multiple messages. Selecting carefully helps ensure you download exactly what you need, especially if you're preparing records or backups. With your email selected, click the three dots menu, often labeled as More Options, and choose Show Original. This view displays the full, raw version of the email, including detailed headers. It's useful not only for exporting, but also for verifying authenticity and seeing technical details like routing information. From the Show Original view, click the Download .eml option. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. The .eml file keeps the message formatting and attachments intact. You can open .eml files in many popular email clients or store them safely for documentation and compliance needs. Repeat these steps for any additional messages or folders you want to export. Keep in mind that Webmail typically handles downloads one message at a time, so plan accordingly if you have a large number to save. That's it. Simple, reliable, and precise. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.